Hi there, students. Anhelation. Anhelation. Okay, this means you are short of breath. You are panting. So I walk up the stairs and suddenly I'm experiencing anhelation. I had to run 100 meters, and after that I was gasping for breath. I was suffering from anhelation. Okay, so anhelation. You are panting. You are short of breath. You are trying to get enough air. So her anhelation was evident as she gasped for breath. The swimmer's anhelation was palpable as she struggled to reach the surface. The hiker experienced anhelation as she climbed the steep trail. He felt anhelation creeping in as he tried to hold his breath underwater. The patient's anhelation worsened as her lung capacity decreased. The dog panted in anhelation after chasing a squirrel. Okay, so anhelation. This comes from Latin anhelatio, anhelatus, anhelo, to breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, the hail bit is the hell bit in this. Anhelation, literally breathing out, but shortness of breath. Now, I think you can also use this metaphorically, figuratively. It's probably very old-fashioned and very poetic, but you could use it meaning longing for something. So he was overwhelmed with a sense of anhelation and nostalgia. He wanted to go back to his youth. Her heart was filled with anhelation for her hometown. He felt a deep anhelation for his lost love. His anhelation for his family grew stronger each day. The sound of the rain brought a sense of anhelation for cosy, comfortable nights at home. Okay, so it's like you're panting for something. You really want it very, very, very strongly. I think mostly anhelation is used nowadays as a medical term, saying somebody is out of breath. I think anhelation, out of breath, I would give it 7.5 in formality, and I think anhelation, to desire something strongly, again 7.5, maybe even 8.5 in formality. Both of these uses are low frequency. So the scuba diver signalled anhelation to his partner as they quickly ascended. Her anhelation was relieved when she finally found an inhaler for her asthma. So anhelation and asthma, these two things are very linked, because if you have asthma, you are gasping for breath, and this is anhelation. Or the high altitude caused anhelation in climbers as they moved over 10,000 feet. And then anhelation. The anhelation for the past was clearly seen. They were separated by an ocean, but their anhelation for each other never wavered. She yearned for the day her anhelation would be satisfied. He felt a deep anhelation for a simpler time as he had lived when he was young. So anhelation, shortness of breath, or an eager desire for something that you miss, that you long for, that you lack. So anhelation. Bye. for now.